Today's seascape uses beautiful tropical colours to paint ocean waves. I'm mixing cobalt blue, a little phthalo blue and white for the sky. Then using a mop brush, I'm gently adding fluffy clouds. Just use a light touch and dust the clouds onto the canvas. Then I'm using some blue again to add the shadows for the clouds. A few highlights are added next. I'm using a small round brush for this. When the sky is completely dry, we can move the masking tape upwards to preserve our horizon line. Then we can add more phthalo blue to make a gorgeous rich blue colour for the sea. I'm blending some of my sky colour into the sea too. I'm using a blender brush, but you could also use a flat brush if you don't have a blender. The next part might seem a little bit daunting, but just dive in and mark out roughly where you'd like your waves to be. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we can adjust the waves as we go. You'll see throughout the painting that I'm constantly correcting and adjusting the wave by adding more layers until I'm happy with it. I'm using different shades of blue to get a nice curve or roll to the wave. Persevere, just keep going until you're happy. If you feel like you're really struggling with one area, I'd advise you just to leave it, move on to another section for a while, and then when it's completely dry, go back and give it another try. Most paintings do go through an ugly stage where they look quite rough. Just keep adding layers, keep painting, and it will start to look better. I've added a little phthalo green to my sand colour, and I'm adding this to the closer, smaller waves in the foreground. Now we can come back with a smaller brush and focus on different areas of the wave and add more detail. And here are some other videos that I hope you'll like to watch next. See you next time.